So we continue with our laws of reading from Sefer Torah. And it's Siman 23, and I'm on page 262. Okay. Sieve number 19. So it says that each Oleh is required to read at least 3 verses. Okay. Additionally, on Mondays and Thursdays, as well as during the Mincha service on Shabbos, one must read for all Olim combined minimum of 10 verses. Okay, so let's stop here and understand. So first of all, minimum for each person is 3 verses. All right, and but for 3 people, because we call minimum 3 people, Monday, Thursday, and Shabbos Mincha, 3 people. So in minimum we have to read 10 verses. Most of the time it's much more than that, but that's the obligation. So commentary say less than 3 verses is considered insignificant amount and is not considered proper Torah reading. See Mishnah Berurah. Okay. So about 10 verses commentary. The 10 verses correspond to 10 commandments. Interesting. And the 10 utterances of, with which God created the world. See Mishnah Berurah. Very interesting. So very straightforward explanation. Okay, so minimum 3, 3, and 4, or I mean minimum 3 each, but altogether it must be 10. To accomplish this, one should read for the third Oleh 4 verses. So 3, 3, but practically we read I think more. They usually try to complete one idea for each Aliyah. Okay. After the fact, if they did not read all for all the Olim together, 10 verses, but read only 9 verses, 3 verses for each, we have fulfilled the obligation. Okay, so let's see. The Purim is its famous example. And on Purim, when one reads for all of the Olim combined only 9 verses, that is because the topic is completed there. So I mean, I think on Purim this about Amalek. I think this piece it's only 9 verses. That's it. No more. So this is famous exception. Okay, counter. Here Kitzur accounts for a discrepancy in the law. If minimum Torah reading must contain 10 verses, how is it that on Purim only 9 verses, Shmos 17 verses 8 through 16 are read? To explain that as a topic read on Purim is completed in 9 verses, there is no requirement to read more. I mean, it's the end of the chapter, basically.